Okay, guys, we just came up off the wall. And look at our babies. They ate, now they're content. And they're sleeping with their wings out. Oh my God, it's so stinking cute.
Look down there. Nina's laying down.
Look, these ones are sleeping. They all got food. Their bellies are nice and full.
Nina's sleeping.
Nina's over here sleeping. Her neck's starting to look really good. And there's some still eating. And there's still the mama duck's out there, but
Oh, there's a Kumi that came really close.
yeah.
He's like right there.
Here, take that.
Kumi!
Here, take the video. It's still on.
Alright. I'm gonna come out here and see if I can get the Kumi. I know Mama Duck, or it's the original Mama Duck. I don't know where our Mama Duck is that we usually feed. So, they just landed. Look at him. My wings! And I think this is the original Mama Duck. Everybody's not here because this is all flooded out. So, okay, later.